Hello everybody, got a shop light out here. I swapped the bulbs out, there was no change, so my next course of action will be replacing the ballast. I'm going to be replacing it with a electronic ballast, but not just any electronic ballast, a vintage one. From what I can tell, this is possibly from 1991. So the light fixture over there above the cabinets has got the same type of ballast in it. It's been in there for several years now and has worked perfectly. So they tend to fire better in the colder weather. And this one's been kind of flaky for a little while, but it finally finished itself out and time to swap it out now. Gently persuaded this lower housing to come off. Going to have to splice this wire because somebody cut it way too short. Maybe. No, it'll work. I can get it. Power is disconnected. One. And two. I don't know if everything will reach. It might. Not ideal, but I think that's what we're going to do. At least stagger my connections here. Okay, this has a date code of November 1979. And there is the advanced ballast. And it's a bit swollen and some goo coming out of it, so pretty safe to say it's bad. November 1979. So it lasted almost 46 years. And it's getting replaced with an advanced ballast. And this light used to be the only light in here, just hanging right in the middle of the room. So this, I don't remember it not being here, so 79 sounds right to me. I think I will redo these. Beautiful. I guess somebody borrowed a little wire off of this one. Because it's a heck of a lot shorter than the rest of them. And it's the only one not stripped. See about this one. Perfect. And I had a socket pop loose, so stick that back in. Looks like even a simple ballast replacement is going to be quite the challenge of this year. So that's something to look forward to. Alright, I think I finally got this back together. I got rid of those goofy speed nuts. Put something in more that's serviceable. So I'm going to populate the bulbs. We'll give it a shot, see if it works. Put the original bulbs back in it. Chances are they are still good. Well, how about that? It worked. very good. Of course, it had to be quite a big ordeal compared to what it should have been, but it's fixed. While we're here, let's just take one last look at this 1979 ballast. Look at the label on it. Nice cool vintage graphics. It's got the Vanguard automatic reset protector. I think it finished up and didn't reset anymore. There's that date code of 11/1979. And more there. Different things. There's the goo leaking out. So this sucker definitely got hot. So, and it's got a high spot in it right in the middle. But sad to see an old magnetic go, but sometimes they do. So I will be searching for a replacement that I took out of the hoard where I still have the same amount. So once again, this has been replacing the ballast in an old shop light from 1979. Thank you for watching.